How's it going, everybody? This is Kyle here. I'm going to walk you through how to install your on-point Z125 subcage. That way you know how easy it is to install this amazing piece of crash protection for your Mini. That way you can get out there, learn some tricks, and not harm your little ride. Alright, here we go. First thing you're going to want to do, put your key in your seat, unlock your seat, set it to the side. Come on in here, take your battery, tuck it out of the way a little bit. There we go. These two bolts right here normally hold on either your license plate bracket or just holding the back end of this undertail. So I'll get these removed. We're not gonna be reusing these. The on-point cage did come with its own hardware. Make sure you put your washer on first. Come upside right here. Another washer on. Okay. Set your washer. Set the washer. Grab your nylock nuts. Alright, now that we have the base mounted to the Z125, we have the triangle scrape bar / step plate, but On-Point does sell this amazing universal tail light right here. Now this tail light sandwiches in between these two and allows you to actually have a visible brake light, because you are going to have a majority of your tail light covered by your step plate. They do sell one for the Honda Grom that already has the wires pre-plugged, plug and play ready to go, so you just unplug your OEM tail light and drop that one in. Now the way we're going to do this one right here, we're going to splice this into the existing wiring so that way we could run the stock tail light and run the on-point tail light as well. You start out with your center bolt, coming from the front side, I guess it'd be the back side of your triangle bar, into the brake light plate, and then into the mounting bracket. Okay, now we've got those three tight. Now you have your base plate, your triangle bar, your titanium block, all mounted as one, along with your universal tail light. We already have the pegs themselves assembled off screen. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your same Allen wrench again, come down here and you're going to use a 17mm socket, and you're going to bolt your plastic peg to your steel arm. Now let's go to the other side. Like I said, I like them right here. Always make sure that both sides of your pegs are matching. You don't want to have one lower and one higher. It'd be really funky feeling, I'm sure. Okay. So here we are setting up the wiring now for your universal tail light. So you have, coming from your factory harness, you have a green, a black, and a red. This is all for your ground, your running, and then your brake light. So you're going to have 3 corresponding wires on your universal right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to wire the black to black. Okay, black to black. Now, if you want to double check and make sure, you can turn your bike on, touch your red to red and your green to yellow, and this will give you your on, your low voltage on, and then when you do apply your brakes, it will give you your brake vibrant light as well. You do want to make sure you have them wired properly. You don't want to have your brake light on all the time. Alright, put our battery back in place. So here we go. We have the tail light turned on. And hit the brake. See how you got the low voltage to your high voltage. So you actually have a working brake light now. So when you're out stunting, you can stunt safely. That's right. On-Point Performance Z125 2017 to 2022 subcage install. Done. all in about 30 minutes and a little bit of relaxing, guys. Not too bad of a deal if you ask me. Now let's go put it to some use.